Hey, Lucas. Today we're diving into a word that's been everywhere lately, especially after the pandemic. The word is immune.
Oh, yeah, I hear that all the time. Like when people say they're immune to getting sick. But there's more to it, right?
Exactly. So immune comes from the Latin word immunes, which originally meant exempt from service or free from obligation.
Interesting. So it's like being free from something. That makes sense when we talk about being immune to diseases.
Right, in health terms, if you're immune to something, your body can resist it. For example, after you get chicken pox once, you're usually immune to it for life.
That's because your immune system remembers the virus and fights it off if it comes back. Pretty cool how our bodies work.
Totally. But here's the thing. We also use immune in everyday situations that have nothing to do with health.
Oh yeah, like what?
Well, you might say, I'm immune to his criticism, when someone's negative comments don't bother you anymore.
Ah, so you're saying you're protected from being affected by it. That's a great metaphor.
Exactly. Or think about this. Nobody's immune to making mistakes. That means everyone makes errors sometimes.
I like that one. It's a reminder to stay humble. Here's another example. She seems immune to peer pressure.
Perfect. That means she doesn't let other people's opinions influence her decisions. She's resistant to that kind of social pressure.
You know, I've also heard people say things like immune to the cold when someone never seems to feel chilly.
That's more casual usage, but yeah, people definitely say that. It's like they're superhuman or something.
So to recap, immune basically means you're protected from or unaffected by something, whether it's a disease or just life's challenges.
Exactly. And remember, it comes from that Latin root meaning free from obligation, which still applies today in a broader sense.
Love it. Thanks for breaking that down, Rachel. Now I feel immune to confusion about this word.
Nice one. That's all for today, everyone. Keep building that vocabulary, and we'll catch you next time.